come back to greet you. I'm here with Professor, a very senior member of our school. Also Professor Christine Dowonahamo, also a very senior member of our school. In fact, she taught me. And Dr. Ali Nacha. As for him, I also taught him. So that is the purpose of our visit. We also wanted to give Otumfuo information about the project we are working on. When we go around the world, we see many law schools. But in Ghana, it looks like our law schools are still small. So together, we started a project to build a law school that is befitting of our country. We have had a lot of support for the project so far. It's not now that we are starting. We started 4 years ago. And by God's grace, the structure is coming out. So first we wanted to inform Otumfuo about it. And also to ask him to think about us when he is administering his education fund. So apart from coming to greet him, that's the second reason why we came. We would like it very much if we were able to name part of the school in his honor, especially at the occasion of his 25th anniversary. So this is the purpose of our visit. We have also come with a few gifts for Otumfuo. The first one is information about our school, which is in the first box, so that he doesn't forget about us. But also we have brought drinks.
Joe. That's it. No.
Jam is the way I'm sending him about.
Joe. Minister to win
It's through marriage.
Yes, I think so,
Joe.
Prof.
Joe.
More than 15 years, I haven't seen him.
Joe.
But I always send messages and I tell him that I'm still waiting for him in Kumasi.
Joe.
But I know he's been doing a good job at the university at the law school, so that's fine. Kwame, I know. Wairamia, Prof.
Joe.
But I thank you for the visit. In fact, you brought my family back to me.
Joe.
They've gone missing for some time. But I want to assure them that I'll be more supportive of what you're doing. And I'll speak to the Professor
Joe.
and see, so that we can see the journey of the project that you're doing and see how best we can contribute to support you in that. But I want to assure you that I'll do everything that will be possible to help you with the advancement of the school and everything.
Joe.
The School of Law, that's where Anao Point is a different one, the School of Law. You also, I've said to them also that I'm giving them a land here to develop another School of Law.
Joe.
So that's also in the process of doing. So they wanted to do the cut the sword on Monday. And I said they should wait when we get more development before we do it.
Joe.
So that we can also expand the School of Law here. So once the government is advancing and training people, so far we've trained so many lawyers to what about 2,000 or more than that.
Joe.
And then they go to the School of Law. So we have space for them also. So in fact, in this Ghana Bar week or so, went best to talk about law at this time.
Joe.
And everything is there. So I thank you very much for this gift. But after this, please, don't go missing. Kwame, so my train.
Joe,
Ɔhen mɛsa mɛyɛ daba.